What's up, guys? In today's video I'm going to be adding a couple things to the truck. I'm going to be doing fog lights, new front bumper, and I'm also getting a remote start system from Viper. So I'm just going to show a little install, and then I might even throw in a little edit after I get the new stuff installed. So here's how it looks before. It's currently no fog lights. This piece, all the clips are broken and it's just pretty chewed up, so that's why I decided to go ahead and get the new fog lights and this new bottom valence or air deflector, whatever you want to call it. Got the new air deflector right here. Ordered it off of eBay for only like $60, but everything should look pretty mint afterward.
What you cooking? What you cooking?
One eternity later.
Alright, so it's actually 3 days later than since I last filmed, because eBay messed up the shipping with the fog lights and the Viper system. So the fog lights just got here and I'm still waiting on the system, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys me installing the fog lights and how it looks after that. So when you're changing out your fog lights, you don't even have to take off anything from the front bumper. There's just going to be 2 screws right here, which you can reach over the fog light, unscrew those, and it'll just slide right back off. Alright, so I just got the new fog lights in. I think they look pretty nice. It's definitely better than it was before whenever it had none. So I'm just going to give it a quick wash, and then I'm going to head over to the shop. And it's clean.
Careful, you might lose another finger.
Show me the Denali build, bro.
The Denali build?
Yeah, let's see what's up with it.
Thank you for my daddy sponsor. I bought this with all daddy's myself money.
Shout out Jake Kittner.
And so it's the 6 period 2L engine.
It's a 6,2, idiot.
No, that's what they didn't say. They didn't say that at the dealer.
Oh, sorry.
And I painted it race red because
You did the crankshaft delete today.
yeah, my engine rebuilder
Piston.
just gave me my new Texas Speed crankshaft.
Here it is. That's the turbo. This is the crankshaft.
Yeah.
You can see we did dual overhead.
You're spilling
valve
the
body.
oil.
Sorry, dude. That's not oil. That's
And
coolant.
I'm gonna throw this on my truck because America.
Yeah.
This is the turbo kit we decided to go. It's kind of small, but it gets the job done for 800.
And you're getting most of the parts from Texas Performance and Speed, right?
Yeah, they're
I
located.
thought it was Speed Texas, or Performance Speed Texas, or Tejas. Sorry.
I got them from this dude. He said they were like good parts, so like I just bought them.
eBay specialist.
My dad gave me like 50 grand, so I went and bought the truck, and then I went and bought the parts. I took everything apart, but I really don't know how to put it back together.
Here, use that as a pointer.
So I'm gonna pay my mechanic to put it back together. I found him on Craigslist.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if he's like qualified. He said he's got the SAE certifications, but I just kind of want my truck back.
Yeah. Alright, so the Viper system finally came in today. Earlier I dropped the truck off at Custom Sounds to get it installed. And now I'm about to go head up there, pick up my truck. So here's what the key fob looks like. It's pretty small. It's just the keyless entry and remote start. So all you gotta do is just tap this button. Lights will blink and it'll start up. Rest in peace, headphone users. And one of the cool features that I like about this system is that all you have to do is just tap it and it'll shut off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more, and also go check out my Instagram because I post a lot of the stuff that I do first on there, and just updates for the truck build, the channel, and anything new that's coming out. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching and stay tuned.